Hi friends, welcome to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl and I love decorating with style, and I love to go thrifting for my home decor because I always like to decorate my home with style on a budget. One of the ways I do that is by going to my local peddler's market or thrift stores to look for unique items that I can pick up for my home and just elevate it up a notch so that it doesn't look so much like everyone else's home and what everyone else has in their homes. I like my own unique style. And in this field trip, we are going to look for some emerald green decor or some serveware because I have an upcoming tablescape collaboration where I have to use this color. And of course, you guys know I love to decorate in black and white, so I don't have any emerald green. So on this particular hunt, we are going to be looking for emerald green items to use in our tablescape, along with other items that I can pick up to use to decorate in my home. So if you enjoyed these types of videos, please stick around to the end where you can see what I picked up. I do have a small haul for you guys, and it was very budget friendly. So let's go take a look and see what we can find.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
Also, if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure you don't forget to subscribe.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
that was my thrift visit, and let me show you some things that I picked up while I was out thrifting. So I'm always talking to you guys about how to save money and decorating with style on a budget. So these are just a few of the things that I picked up while I was out thrift shopping, and as you can see, I think I did pretty good. I mean, these things look very high end to me. They're not, really cheap items, but I did pay cheap prices for them. So to start with, we're going to start with this really nice vase. It's really large. It is in the green color that I like and will be using to decorate for fall. And as you can see, I picked up this glass for $3. Also, we have its smaller cousin. They were both 2 for $3. I don't know if you can see that. 2 green for $3. So $1.50 for each, which was a really great deal. Don't mind what you see over to the left. That's another haul. This vase I picked up also while out thrifting. It's similar to something that I have seen at Z Gallerie, and correct me if I'm wrong. Is this a Z Gallerie vase? I think it is. But leave me a comment down below and let me know. So I picked this vase up for $10. It's very large. I want to say it looks like it's about 27 inches tall. And then this one I also picked up, and it was $7. Again, a very nice price. And I also picked up these mercury glass candle holders. Again, a very nice price. They were $4 a piece. So I absolutely love those. You cannot go wrong with mercury glass. And then last but not least, I picked up these really pretty iCat napkin placemats, and they were a set of 4 for $12. Very nice quality. Again, in the green theme that I'm going to be using for fall, and I absolutely love them. Very thick, very nice, high quality. So I thought $12 was a really good price, even though a little more than I would normally spend when I'm out thrifting. So those are the items I picked up. So always keep an open mind when you are out thrifting. You can always find some wonderful pieces on a budget and at a very budget friendly price. So if you have enjoyed today's thrift with me and haul, please give the video a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet a family member, I would so love it if you would join the family. I have lots of home decorating tips on this channel. I am inspired by restoration hardware, so you will see a lot of that as far as DIYs and how to thrift for a restoration hardware inspired home decor. But I am also a modern glam lover as well as just really modern in general. Not so much modern glam, although these two pieces are very glam indeed, but modern in general. So if you are into those types of things, I would love to have you join the family, and I will leave a link. Go check it out. I will leave it up right here for you to go check out my latest restoration hardware inspired DIY, as well as my restoration hardware inspired living and lounge home tour, and my restoration hardware inspired tablescape, all done on a budget. So yeah, I really like what I picked up, and I hope you do as well. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.